the object in question. So I'm pulling the master string to both blink and move my ears at the same time. Now I'm pushing the head out to sniff the feather. I don't actually have the arm length to hold the line like this, so I generally hold this, but it's up to your own preference. So now I'm smelling for a little bit, coming back, and oh, now my nose is a little tickled. I'm gonna start sneezing. And I start switching my hands here from the master strings to just the eyes again. And just hopping back, just moving the eyes. Take a deep breath, close your eyes, and sneeze. And with the sneeze, I'm literally just closing the mouth and releasing the eyes at the same time and thrusting forward with my body. And then you can go back to doing regular blinks with the ears moving forwards.